Here I have Xiaomi Mi Mix 2S, and today I'm going to show you how to get iOS Control Center on this device. So to get this feature, all you have to do is to just download this app Control Center iOS 14 from the Play Store. Then you have to open it. Grant all the permissions it requires here. Watch some ad. So here you can select where you want to have your control center. Let's set it from top, I guess. No, let's set it from the bottom. And so what? Oh, and as you can see, now we have this iOS control center here. As you can see, you can change its brightness here. You can change volume and all the other features like on the iPhone, like switch the but for different features you will have to give different permissions. But some features you can modify just like this. In this app you can also change some of its another options of this control center. For example, you can change the position of this center here. You can change its colors. For example, let's change it to maybe this one. You can change only this slider color. You can change its background, for example. For example, current wallpaper. As you can see, now I have my wallpaper in the background and a lot of other features here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.